For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a powder coating business can be both profitable and practical, especially with the increasing demand for durable, eco-friendly finishes on metal surfaces. With advancements in free artificial intelligence tools, launching this type of venture has never been more accessible. AI can help streamline your planning, marketing, and operational setup. In this guide, you'll learn how to build a powder coating business step by step using free AI tools that can assist you every step of the way. Step 1. Understand the powder coating industry. Begin by researching what powder coating is, what equipment is needed, who your customers are, and what regulations apply in your area. Powder coating involves applying a dry powder to metal surfaces, which is then cured with heat to create a durable finish. Industries like automotive, construction, furniture, and appliances regularly use powder coating services. Use ChatGPT to gather industry insights quickly. A sample prompt. Give me an overview of the powder coating industry, including typical clients, services offered, and key equipment needed. You can also use Google Bard or Perplexity AI to pull in up-to-date trends and industry statistics. These tools can summarize the latest news and competitor strategies, giving you a broader understanding of what's working in the market. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. A strong business plan is your roadmap to success. You'll need to outline your vision, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, startup costs, and revenue projections. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan. Try this prompt. Create a business plan for a small powder coating business targeting local manufacturers and auto repair shops. Include market analysis, equipment costs, services, and financial projections for the first year. You can also use Notion AI's free tools to format and organize the content into business plan templates. Claude AI by Anthropic is another great option for longer-form document writing and editing assistance. Step 3. Calculate startup costs and equipment needs. Powder coating businesses require specific tools, including a powder coating gun, curing oven, air compressor, ventilation system, and safety gear. Use free AI spreadsheet tools such as Google Sheets enhanced with Google's Duet AI to calculate and track your equipment and startup costs. Ask ChatGPT. Give me a list of startup equipment and estimated costs for a basic powder coating business. You can then plug those numbers into your spreadsheet to figure out your capital needs. Step 4. Choose a business name and register it. Your business name should be memorable, professional, and relevant to your industry. Use Namelix, a free AI business name generator, which creates name suggestions based on keywords and brand tone. Try this prompt in Namelix. Powder coating, metal finishing, auto parts, industrial clients, professional tone. After selecting a name, check domain availability using GoDaddy or Namecheap and register your business with your state. For assistance in writing registration documents or filling out LLC forms, you can prompt ChatGPT with, write a sample LLC formation document for a powder coating company based in Florida. Step 5. Design your logo and branding using AI. A professional visual identity helps establish trust. Use Loca or Canva's AI logo generator to create a free logo based on your business name and industry. Prompt for Loca. Create a logo for a powder coating company focused on automotive and industrial parts. Include colors like red, black, and silver, and use strong, bold fonts. Use Canva's AI tools to create social media headers, business cards, and marketing materials. You can ask, design a flyer promoting my powder coating services for local businesses. Step 6. Set up a basic website. Use AI-powered website builders like Wix, free version, or Doric AI to create a simple site showcasing your services before/after project photos and contact form. Include your location, pricing model, and call to action buttons like get a quote. You can ask ChatGPT, write homepage content for a powder coating business serving commercial clients in South Florida. Focus on durability, eco-friendliness, and custom colors. Wix's AI website generator can take this content and build out a layout that suits your brand. Step 7. Use AI to develop your marketing plan. A good marketing plan will identify how you'll attract clients and build long-term relationships. Use ChatGPT to write the plan with this prompt. Create a marketing plan for a powder coating business targeting car enthusiasts, furniture makers, and metal fabricators. Include SEO, social media, email campaigns, and local outreach. Leverage Canva's AI tools to create content for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Use free tools like Pictory to generate short promotional videos from your before and after project photos. You can also use keywordtool.io to find SEO keywords for blog posts or service pages like custom wheel powder coating or eco-friendly metal coating. Step 8. List your services on local business platforms. Create free listings on Google Business Profile, Yelp, Bing Places, and industry directories. Use ChatGPT to optimize your listing descriptions. Prompt. Write a Google Business Profile description for a powder coating shop in Miami, specializing in fast turnaround and industrial coatings. This will help you appear in local search results when nearby customers are searching for services like yours. Step 9. Price your services with AI assistance. Pricing depends on factors like part size, prep work, color selection, and quantity. You can use ChatGPT to help build a pricing model. Prompt. Create a sample pricing structure for powder coating services based on part size, small, medium, large, prep work, and color complexity. You can then test the model with hypothetical customer scenarios using a spreadsheet tool. Integrating free AI formulas into Google Sheets can help you auto-calculate profits and margins. Step 10. Use AI to create legal documents and policies. Use ChatGPT or AI-powered contract generators like Do Not Pay or Lorena, free trial versions, to create basic legal documents. Prompt. Write a service agreement for a powder coating company outlining liability, warranties, and customer responsibilities. Also generate safety and operational policies, especially if you plan to hire staff. Ask. Create an OSHA-compliant safety policy for a powder coating workshop. Conclusion. Launching a powder coating business is more achievable than ever when you use free AI tools strategically. From business planning and branding to pricing and marketing, AI can dramatically reduce the time and cost required to get started. What once required teams of designers, writers, and consultants can now be accomplished with well-crafted prompts and smart use of technology. If you commit to learning how to harness these tools effectively, you'll position your new powder coating venture for long-term success in a growing and profitable industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.